Okay, I've been working on double pedal lately. I'm not very good at it, but I want to use this video as sort of a benchmark of where I am now, and then we'll talk again in like a month or two, and I'll come back with tips, things that have helped me. But this isn't going to sound very good, and that's intentional. So I've just been starting with like 16th notes. Let's start at 110. 3, 1 E ended, 2 E ended, 3 E ended, 4 E ended. Let's bump it up to 120. We'll just keep bumping up for a sec. Here we go. One 30, 130. 140. This is where like Thrice, To Awaken, Avenge the Dead. I'm at 145 here. This kind of thing. The reason I wanted to start working on double pedal is because of Harry Myrie from the Drumeo video all about trash canning. And I'm nowhere near where I want to be with this. We'll go real slow. He starts off with cymbal swells and then adds in the kick. So it's like, this is 130. You know, so he does that. I think I'm at 130. I think he goes up to like 180 and does his kick there and sounds way better than that. But again, this is to benchmark my progress, and I'll be back with another video sometime later. We'll look at this clip and we'll laugh, and we'll talk about how to actually play double pedal well. Thanks for checking this out.